Tip lakadei bakamdan ni kambon bantre ni naki ki daw. Henry ki baladab ban peni pajba ya ka video lingbau Shillong Mail u Kyrwoh ka Atiar hakapor election chaki yang darbar thawan arjar pulai baka kong Phidalia Toi kabalong ka chairperson ha katukapor kala penkhen ki kendon election katkum ka section 21 jong ka Indian Penal Code but section 2C jong ka Prevention of Corruption Act 1988 kala pau baka don ni ka jingshisha but ka ni ka day na ka jingphla jong menteri Sorkar ubakmi ya katanat social welfare uba pol lingdo ha ka jing yekendo but kilat pathai khubor ka nyoterek ujliyo arjar arpulai ubala ong kala penkhen ya ka Meghalaya State Commission for Women Act 2005.
I have studied the file. The person concerned, it is not only about her being involved in an election campaign.
Katkum ki video ki bangilapin layo baka kong Phidalia kalayat ringkat ber ukurtong ka NPP bolong menta kum MLA uba wailat miki shela hadien ka jingpendep ban tap kerteng bat ban yeng haringkat ber upajba nong kershan ka NPP shabar ka office returning officer kata ka nyoterik urumpang arjar arpulai kumanchu pentebru bahaka tu kapor ka Sorkar jela kala darab jot yaladi dakaba penmi ya kajing penmana lyngba katanat social welfare haka khatsau terik urumpang arjar arpulai halor ka commission ban pentep baladep ban pendu pendam ya ka nadu ka khatpra terik urumpang arjar arpulai kata katkum ka shiti number CM 31 2016 160 ketarik laipuai jong benai peningkong arjar arpulai naka office umentri rangba Henry umentri social welfare ula pentep penbana ba katai ka commission kadang beteng lajno kabashubeng tangi ka chairperson omye kiwe ki takhat niki member.
The other members will continue until the end of the tenure, but the new chairperson will have to be appointed. That is a subject that I will also have to take up with the chief minister, since this is a very vital body.
Hakasngi jong kajing kendo berkilai pathai kubor ubapol la penbana pajba chisundan bai ka kong Phidalia Toi laweng noru nakakam kum ka chairperson ka Meghalaya State Commission for Women bat penparu bakatanat kan hablong ka bapikir ba bantongi kibrio hakatega kedan bat benrap da ka baong ban nangni shakmat hapet da kibrio ba omdan jinge dei sanhima.
But according to the rules, she is supposed to attend at least 3 meetings of the board, and she has abstained from 4 meetings, and therefore she does not qualify to be chairperson any longer. We have to be very careful about the selection of the new incumbent, because from that experience, we need to ensure that we have people who can give a lot of attention. Women Commission is a very important constitutional body, and you only have to have people who have the drive, the interest in that office, because there is so much that the commission is entrusted with. Come up with a panel of names, and that panel of names will then come up to me for consideration as minister, and I will then discuss this with the CL. Doubt, I always prefer merit, I always prefer quality, so there is no shadow of doubt that we will not live up to those standards. We have to set standards for the state, and such appointees should in fact not be selected based on their political allegiance.